Hey, you can't swim there! This video will highlight the importance of monitoring and controlling foreign ballast water discharge due to the possible spread of harmful phytoplankton. Ballast water is water that is stored in a ship's ballast tanks. An unloaded ship needs ballast water to stabilize it during the voyage, as they are top-heavy and will be subjected to possibly large waves. The ship draws water and any organism small enough to fit through the intake into its tanks before leaving port. As it reaches the destination, the ship discharges the water into the new port, and the organisms in the tank are released into a new environment. Algae is commonly transported this way. Ballast water data was obtained from the National Ballast Information Clearinghouse. This graphic shows the increase in number of ship traffic and amount of ballast water over the 5-year span of the study. This increase is equal to 3.42% of the entire volume of the bay. The bars represent different types of ships, and the shaded areas represent the source of ballast water. Dark gray is from overseas ports, and light gray is from domestic ports. Algae is a broad name for a diverse group of organisms that commonly use chlorophyll to photosynthesize similarly to plants. They vary in size from microscopic to over 50 meters in length, as in the case of the brown kelp. When the components for algae growth are in large supply, algae may bloom. Large algal blooms can be toxic to local environments and harmful to native species, and even local economies. These are called HABs, harmful algal blooms. Not all algal species cause toxic blooms, though they are still important to study due to the intense harm they can cause on the surrounding ecosystem. As you can see in this video, algae naturally grows on rocks surrounding bodies of water. I'm standing on the very east end of Galveston Island, looking into the Houston Ship Channel. Mesh nets like the one in this photo were used to identify algae species. 24 of the 40 identified are common in ballast water, and 8 have harmful bloom-causing effects. To remediate effects of foreign ballast water discharge, ships can use a device on the intake systems that filter out organisms, such as the EcoChlor filtration system shown in this photo. Ballast water discharge needs to be monitored and regulated in order to reduce the chance of an algal bloom. Galveston Bay is projected to receive a 78% increase as the Panama Canal is expanded by the end of this year. Thanks for watching.